One of the things that Kings and Priests has done is it's exposed me to a lot of men. I see men who are sad, who are beat down. They don't feel like king's kids. They don't feel like kings on earth. Why is the power and authority not felt in our homes, in our marriages, in our businesses, in our lives? We call ourselves Christian, but the fruit of the tree doesn't look any different. You feel like you're out of control. You feel like you're locked in a room alone and no one can feel the things that are bothering you. To feel like you can't figure out why things just won't go right. You retreat. You hide. You exist. You sedate. There are other men who are dealing with the same things I'm dealing with, who are pushing the same type of boulders that I'm pushing or carrying. And I don't have to go alone. So we've developed a 6-week sprint that on the other side of getting the codex, you can step into our community and sprint with us for that 6 weeks so that you can see not only what it feels like to hold the tool, but also have a professional coach show you how to swing it. We want to be received as a king's kid. We want that confidence. We want that power. We want that authority, but we want it all in a way that reflects Christ's love. The point is that we move through our life with confidence and purpose and a direction that accelerates, all for the glory of God. The Codex is the perfect tool, but you have to have that community. Once you have stepped into that 6-week sprint, you begin to feel the culture and the energy surrounding other men, and you start to feel that power. You step into a level of brotherhood that you've never experienced before. One that's very intentional about calling you to be the strongest version of you possible. Kingdom Week is at our HQ in North Central Missouri. It's a 150-acre property where you come and step into completely disconnected fellowship with other men with one goal: a life-changing week that draws you closer to God. It builds you to be closer to your family. We enable you to focus on your business, all while foundationally strengthening your faith. We created Kingdom Week so that men like you could reignite in their faith, deployed back into the marketplace in power, in that authority, under Jesus' grace, inside of our lives. Our wives begin to notice that we're acting different. Our kids realize we're showing up different. Our employees see us move with more power. People see us start to stack W's physically, emotionally, like the confidence that begins to just kind of flow out of you. You all met those guys. Those guys that just, man, they've really got their stuff together. And what we're trying to do is create a very clear line of sight for you to believe that that's possible. And when you leave out of Kingdom Week, you step out into the marketplace with authority, with direction, and with clarity.
The guys and the time that you could see you guys put into this.
You can accomplish nothing without God, but we're meant to do this together.
We're grateful to be here in this setting and continue that 30-degree shift, and it's had a direct effect on my family.
You feel that call to do more. There's no better time than right now to step into what is next for your life. It's your time to join us at Kingdom Week. It's your time to reignite that fire in your belly. It's your time to step back into authority in your marriage and in your business. And your time is now. Look, Kingdom Week isn't for everyone. It's a high-level event that will absolutely change your life. The filter is we want to be surrounded by men who are called at the highest level to impact. And we only have a few spots left. I believe this is your divine nudge to take action into your next step and join us at Kingdom Week for the King.